So we will be taking a problem again on multiplication of matrices. The last question that I took on this was just letters, but we have an example here. If A is equals to Aij, which is the same thing as A1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and B is equals to Bij, which is the same thing as 8, 4, 3, 1, 2, 5, 8, 6, we have to find 1 AB and then BA for the second one. So let's solve this solution. We have the first question. We have to multiply A and B, which is the same thing as 1, 2, 3. We have 5, 7, 4, and then multiply by, we have 8, 4, 3, 1, 2, 5, 8, 6. Remember, you can only multiply matrices if the number of rows in the first matrix is equivalent to the number of columns in the second matrix. So if you see this one, this is a 3 by 2 matrix and this is a 2 by 3 matrix. So it means that we can be able to multiply this one. Why? Because this is 2, which is this and this. You consider these ones. If they are the same, you can multiply that matrix. So let's go together. This is equal to, we'll take 1 times 8. 1 times 8. So plus 5 times 2. 5 times 2. So we take the next one again. 1 times 4 plus 5 times 5. Then you have 1 times 3 plus 5 times 8. Finally, we have 1 times 1 plus 5 times 6. So we take the next one, which is 2 times 8. 2 times 8 plus 7 times 2. We go again, same row, 2 times 4 plus 7 times 5. We have the next one again, 2 times 3 plus 7 times 8. Then we have the last one there, 2 times 1 plus 7 times 6. So we take the next row in the first matrix, 3 times 8 plus 4 times 2. Next, 3 times 4 plus 4 times 5. We have 3 times 3 and plus 4 times 8. Then we have 3 times 1 plus 4 times 6. 4 times 6. So this is the same thing as 8 times 1 is 8 plus 10. This time this is 16 plus 14. This time this is 24 plus 8. We take this one, 1 times 4, 4 plus 25, because 5 times 5. Then we have 2 times 8, 2 times 4, 8 plus 35, which is 7 times 5. This time this is 12 plus 20. 1 times 3 is 3 plus 5 times 8. 5 times 8 is 40. Then 3 times this is 6 plus 7. 7 times 8, that will be 42. then 3 times 3, 9, plus 4 times 8, that should be 32. We have 1 times 1 is 1, plus 30, so 5 times 6, and then this is 2, plus 7 times 6, that's also 40. Okay, I think I made a mistake from 7 times 8. So that should be 56. Here is supposed to be 56, and then this is 42. So 3, it should be 3 plus 4 times this will be 26. So this is equal to, we'll have this, we'll just sum this together. This will be open bracket 18, this is 30, this will be 32, this plus this is 29, this plus this is 43, this plus this is 32, this plus this is 43, this plus this, that will be 62, this plus this, that will be 41, this one will be 31, this will be 43, and finally this will be, sorry, this time this was supposed to be 24. So when you sum this one to give us 27, so when you multiply this matrix, this will be the answer. So we want to see if it is possible to multiply when we change the order of those two matrices. But I believe this is fine for you that is watching. So the second one, we have the second one here, which is B multiplied by A. Let's arrange them first. So this is 8, 4, 3, 1, 2, 5, 8, 6, multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, and 4. So let's see, this is a 2 by, sorry, if you remember from here, this was supposed to be a 2 by 4 matrix, not a 2 by 3 matrix. So this one here is a 2 by 4 matrix, and this is a 3 by 2 matrix. And remember, if here is a 2, if this was a 2 by 3 matrix, then we can multiply it by this. But since this is a 2 by 4 matrix and this is a 3 by 4 matrix, this matrix cannot multiply this, because if we are to multiply this first row with this first column, the number of elements here are not equal to the number of these elements. So as a result of that, we cannot be able to multiply this. So B dot A is not possible. It's not possible because of the order of A and B. So it is possible to multiply AB, but it's not possible to multiply BA. I believe with this, it has cleared your curiosity to understand the aspect of multiplication of matrices. I would like to take other examples on this, that because of the nature of time, so that I won't bore you, I would like you to try this question here. So you can try this on your own. The number 3 of this, I want you to, if you follow the previous example, then solve this. If A is equals to 4, 7, 2, 5, 2 and b is equals to the same, let's say 1 2 4 1. So we are to find a dot b and b dot a. Maybe if you can try this and also respond on the comment section the answer. See you in the next tutorial, and make sure you like, you subscribe and share if you enjoy this. Thank you very much. See you next time.